welcome you to my yoga channel, that is Sant Yoga. In this channel, we will learn and see how yoga can be useful for our life. योग का हमारी ज़िंदगी में क्या महत्व हो सकता है और ये हमारी ज़िंदगी को कैसे अच्छा बना सकता है। ये सब चीज़ें हम इस चैनल में देखेंगे, जिसका कि नाम है Sant Yoga. And please understand, whatever knowledge I am sharing in this channel is my understanding about the yoga, about the overall what I experience in my life. So that is what we will be talking about. So let us together work and improve our lifestyle. Let us continue. So my vision for yoga is that holistic fitness and lifestyle for all of us. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya. That is what the principle I will follow. So this is basically fitness and holistic lifestyle. Okay. So how we'll achieve this one? So purpose, the focus will be to improve fitness and lifestyle. So to improve the fitness and lifestyle, हमारा जो जीवन जीने का तरीका है और जो हमारा स्वस्थ है उसके ऊपर हम फोकस करेंगे। और ये फिटनेस के लिए हम अपने शरीर, मन और आत्मा का उसकी फिटनेस को इम्प्रूव करेंगे। We'll focus on our body, mind and soul for the fitness. Body and mind, body by asana, mind and soul by pranayam and dhyana, various yogic postures and pranayam and dhyana. So the next thing is about also we will share our experience. I will share my experience. You can also share your experience, and we can guide and support each other to have a healthy and fit lifestyle. So हम सब एक दूसरे की मदद करेंगे, हम सब एक दूसरे से अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे, जिससे कि सब लोग उससे फ़ायदा ले सकें। ओके। उसके बाद है सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन इज बेसिकली हाउ टू रियलाइज योर फुल पोटेंशियल, मीनिंग अपनी क्षमता का अधिकतम उपयोग कैसे किया जाए. सो योग का बेसिक पर्पस जहाँ तक मेरी जानकारी है उसके साथ सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन है, जिससे कि हम अपनी क्षमता का अधिकतम उपयोग कैसे करें. और इसमें हम कुछ और सब्जेक्ट में ये बात करेंगे, जिसमें ये रहेगा कि सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन. सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन मीन्स स्पिरिचुअल अपलिफ्टमेंट. स्पिरिचुअल अपलिफ्टमेंट मीन्स आध्यात्मिक रूप से हम अपना कैसा विकास करें, और उसमें सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन मीन्स हम कैसे हम अपने आसपास के वातावरण, अपना अर्थ, अपनी पृथ्वी, अपने देश और अपने समाज को कैसे सुखी और संपन्न रख सके, और एक कैसा सस्टेनेबल हमारा लाइफस्टाइल हो, जिससे कि हम बहुत सारी समस्याएं जो आजकल है, जैसे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग या बहुत सी दूसरी समस्याएं हैं, उनसे अपने आप को दूर रख सके. सो हमारा उद्देश्य ऐसा हो रहेगा जिससे कि सबका उसमें सुख है, सबका उसमें भला है, और वसुंधैव कुटुंबकम. So for doing all this thing, follow the two fundamentals. So fundamental one is, that is, this is based on the yoga karmasu kausalam. So this statement is given by Sri Krishna, Lord Sri Krishna, in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and he said that if we are able to do our work with excellence, okay, then that is what the yoga is. Means if we are able to achieve the work 100% with full efficiency, then we are yoga. So that is what the self-actualization is. So we will do the things which will help to improve our efficiency, and we will able to achieve our result 100% by focusing on the actions. Okay, ये हो गया पहला आधार. फिर दूसरा आधार ये पातंजलि ऋषि ने स्वयं दिया है. Patanjali has given the second fundamentals. I believe that this is the second, from my side, this is the second fundamental, that is Yogascha Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Okay, it means Yoga is Chitta Vritti. Okay, Chitta means mind, Vritti means all the disorder, all the wrong thing, issue in our mind. Nirodha means regulate. So yoga is basically regulation of our mind, okay, so that we can focus on our work and we can achieve the result 100%. So yoga chittavritti nirodha means yoga is stilling the fluctuations of the mind. Okay. So to do these things, first is principle by Krishna and second is by Maharshi Patanjali. So now we'll discuss more about the Ashtanga Yoga written by Patanjali Rishi about 2300 years ago. So this is basically a principle based on 8 parts, that is the Ashtanga Yoga. So in Ashtanga Yoga, the 8 part is there. So from this, if we follow this, then we can achieve the self-realization and self-actualization. The first part is Yama. Yama means don't. That is external discipline. What we should not do. This is like our immune system, which is defense for our body. So we should not do, like we should not steal, we should not speak lie, we should not harm to anybody, we should not break the rule, like that. So this is Yama. Next one is Niyama. Niyama means that is what we should do, that is internal discipline. So what we should do, like we should follow the rules, we should not speak lie, we should not harm to anybody, we should not do the stealing, we should not do the hinsa, violence. So that is the internal discipline. The next level is, that is asana. Asana, that is meditation postures, and we understand asana is one of the most popular part of Ashtanga Yoga. Many people know yoga as asana only. So asana, there is meditation postures are there, which is good for our body, which helps to improve and to reach the higher stage. Then the next stage is pranayam. Pranayam means breathe regulation. This is also one of the important and most popular yogic practice, wherein we do different yoga practice and try to improve our breathing and try to improve more control on our internal body. Next is, that is pratyahar. Pratyahar means detachment of sensual pleasure. Detachment of sensual pleasure means there are the things which is needed for our body, but there are things which is not needed. So we should not be having our greed for not need things, and we should regulate and control our body for the needed things. So for detachment from not needed things, that is our greed part. So that is the pratyahara. Then next level is, that is dharana. Dharana means concentration. Basically, in dharana stage, you will be identifying the improvement in yourself. So you will find that there is something issue inside you. So you identify that issue and you will try to improve. So that is what is the dharana. You will make the dharana that you need to improve on something. Then with this, then we'll go to next stage, that is dhyana. So in dhyana stage, the point, the improvement idea you decided in the dharana stage, in dhyan, you will focus on that point only, and you will identify, you will do the complete brainstorming, and you will try to understand what is the area we need to improve, how to improve, what to do, what not to do, all those. So complete body, your complete mind, body, soul, everything is getting involved in the dhyan stage about the problem. So this is basically yogic concentration. Okay, so this helps to identify the correct action you have to take, which will help you to improve your life. Okay. Then it comes the next stage, and that is the most highest stage, that is samadhi. Samadhi is basically union of individual self with Brahma, that is the ultimate God. So these are the stages are there for improving your lifestyle, and as per the Patanjali Rishi, this is the Ashtanga Yoga, and if you follow these practices, then you can reach to the ultimate bliss state. But for a normal human being, no need to follow all those things very rigorously. We will focus mainly on some of the item, that is asana and pranayam. So asana means for the healthy body, pranayam means for the healthy internal organ. So we will focus mainly on asana and pranayam, and with this we will make our life better. And those who are following this principle and those who follow this channel, they can also practice and they can make changes in your life, and you can improve your lifestyle. So that is what the overall purpose of overall method we will follow for improvement of our lifestyle. We are at the end of this video. Thank you for being with me for a long time. Also, please understand, this is my first video on yoga, so you can observe there are many mistakes. So please write down all the mistakes which you had observed. I will focus and improve in the next time. Also, if you have any issue, anything you wanted to discuss with me about your issue and you wanted to improve, please write down in the comment section. Together we will discuss and will resolve that issue. Also, if you like this video, please share, subscribe with your family and friends member, and also let them get the benefit of yoga. I hope with this yoga practice we can improve ourselves and we can make this world as a good place to live for all of us. Thank you, namaste, and pranam to all of you.